Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a battery in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, gather your essential tools like a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for maximum safety. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from potential battery acid. These simple steps will help you prepare for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Depending on your Jeep Grand Cherokee model, the battery is usually located under the passenger seat or sometimes under the hood. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, using your 10mm wrench, followed by the positive terminal. Be sure to carefully remove any hold-down clamps or straps that are securing the battery in place. This prevents accidental short circuits. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely, and then fasten any hold-down clamps or straps. When connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. This order is crucial for electrical safety. After installing your new battery, perform a few final checks. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure, preventing any loose contacts. Then, start your vehicle to confirm the new battery is working correctly and that all electrical systems are functioning. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in extending your battery's life. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.